Welcome. Today in front of me HTC Desire 628, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go into the Google folder and launch the Gmail application. Right there, as can you see that we are just logged in into two accounts at the same time. And for example, just to log out from this account, you should scroll down and tap into the settings. Now just here, as can you see, we got these two accounts, and for example we will remove this one. We will log out from the second one. Just you should here tap on the right upper corner on the three dots and tap here on the manage account. Now just tap here to continue, and now just tap here to accounts and sync. Tap here on the Google section, and here, as can you see, we got these our two accounts. So we'll log out from the second one. For example, just tap here on this account and tap on the three dots and tap here to remove. And now just to confirm, tap to remove account. And as can you see, we just stay only with one account in our just Google section. And now we'll just go back into the Gmail application to check. So as can you see, we stay only with the one account. So that's really simple, as can you see. And thank you guys for watching. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.